Hello, and thanks for joining me for another beer review. Then today we've got a beer from Sureshot in Manchester, and this is a can of their ducks and how to make them pay. So you got mandarin there in the middle. You got a mallard there by the look of it. I think that's the only two ones. Oh, there's a I can bore the hell out of you. There's a looks like a common scoter. That one with the white cheek to it. So there's a few bits on there. So ducks and how to make them pay. New England IPA, 6.5% ABV. This is brewed in collaboration with Indie Man, which happens every early October. Well, up until recent years, of course, for all that shit. And I can't even pronounce it. The Epictrilem? I'm butchering the shit out of that. So, anyway, especially for our debut at Manchester's greatest beer festivals, bobbing with I like that. Nelson Solvin, Citra, and Mosaic for a deep, fruity bill. Very good. It's pretty foul, really, isn't it? But anyway, so 440ml can. Then this is canned on the 26th of September, best before the 26th of March. So we're certainly towards the end of its shelf life. So yeah, let's crack into it and see what we get. Ingredients then: water, barley, wheat, oats, hops, and yeast. Contains gluten. So yeah, these guys are out in Manchester. They've got their own tap room. I've reviewed a few of their bits now. I've got one more beer, I believe, here. Oh, that didn't sound very good. There was no hiss or nothing. Oh, this has got a bit of carbon. I was a bit worried then. But I am pouring it quite aggressive, so you're going to end up probably with about a finger worth of head on a fairly aggressive pour. Yeah, just over a finger ahead there. We'll leave it like that for now. There's a little bit left in the can. So beer in the glass, I'm getting aromas already. A finger and a bit of white head. Tightly packed bubbles on that. Looks lovely in the glass. Nice kind of orangey colour as you'd expect for the style, that kind of deal. Into the light, yeah, it's quite a densely hazy New England IPA. I'm quite intrigued by this because I've had a few bits from them and I've been really impressed. So they do other styles as well, but yeah. Let's get into this then and see what we get. Yeah, getting a nice kind of mango, pineapple chunks in brine, that kind of deal. Definitely mango. Well, it's a bit dank as well. Also getting like a slight sweetness, like honeydew melon. Definitely almost like slightly earthy as well. Very dank. Very nice. It's almost got that dankness at the end there. Almost like a slight kind of white grape vinous thing going on. I guess it has got Nelson in that. That's definitely coming through. Melon, honeydew melon. There's a slight sweetness there as well, but that just got that dryness then. Musky dryness from a Nelson. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Giving a cracking lacing, I have to say. I was a bit worried on the opening. Smooth as you like. Nelson is shining in this one. My jaw just went crack. It's jaw cracking good. Smooth, delicate, no hint of ABV, medium body at most. This is an absolute banger. Bang, bang. That is fantastic, I have to say. They've got some amazing names and artwork for their beers. Really clever, but out there, different. No one else is kind of doing it. Looks the absolute business. Very fine looking beer, as in fine, as in just pin sharp. Very clean looking. Very inviting. A great representation of the style. I mean, there is a few breweries that do it really, really well, and these are relatively new brewery. I don't know how old exactly, maybe a year, if that. They have got a former head brewer of Cloudwater, so going back to the V series, I've said it in other reviews from these guys, but yeah, so although the brewery is fairly new, the brewers aren't. I can't believe how delicate it is for a 6.5. That is a tasty beer. That is damn tasty. Yeah, it's not the way I see it, but no, it's been good to me for sure. So yeah, pineapple. That pineapple chunks is definitely coming through. There's more of that vinous-y kind of white grape melon thing coming through on the flavour. You were picking up slightly on the aroma, but obviously the beer is not long out of the fridge, so these flavours only get a little bit more bolder as it warms up slightly, like most beers, of course. So, but overall, a fantastic beer, I have to say. It's a shame that a lot of these breweries, it's not, I don't know, it's a core range beer or what the deal is, but yeah, this is great. I love the idea of the dollar with the ducks on it, and which plays into the name quite well, of course. So Sureshot, ducks and how to make them pay. It's a quacking beer. If you had this one before, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. You'll take care. See you on the next one. Cheers.